welcome to another vlog of What's Up Raveena. This is day 2 in Prague, and today we are going to explore Charles Bridge, followed by the Prague Castle, which is one of the world's largest castles. After that, we will also go for medieval dinner. So this vlog has everything you need to know about Prague. We have almost reached Charles Bridge, and
That's Old Tower.
this is Old Tower, and that's King Charles, I suppose. Let's go on the bridge and see. Now I welcome you to Charles Bridge, and I'm already so excited to see the spectacular views of Prague. Are you excited? Let's go. Charles Bridge was commissioned by King Charles IV in 1357. This bridge has 30 statues and sculptures, and these statues are mostly Baroque style. This bridge was the only way to cross the Vltava river for centuries. Now vehicles are not allowed and only pedestrians can enjoy this bridge. We are so lucky to be walking on this bridge. It was something which was not destroyed in World War II, where almost every city of Europe was bombarded. This city right here was not, and you can see the history is preserved. From the bridge, you will get breathtaking views of Vltava River, Old Town, Bridge Tower, and even Prague Castle. Today, Charles Bridge is home to local artists, musicians, and craftsmen. You can even do some shopping here, some local jewelry, paintings. There is so much value to art and culture in this city. Some say that egg yolks were mixed into the mortar to strengthen the bridge. Villages across the kingdom were reportedly asked to send eggs for its construction. Interesting, right? Because of this architecture, I'm automatically smiling. It is so beautiful that you cannot stop mesmerizing about this place. It gets really crowded very quickly, so I will suggest you to come early in the morning to get some empty space in this area. This here is touch, and your wish will be fulfilled. I literally prayed like Indian style, but they say if you touch and ask for anything, your wishes get fulfilled. I hope my wishes get fulfilled as well. Now we have crossed Charles Bridge and we have come towards the town, lesser town. And you can see the Prague Castle over there. We will go there in a while, but before that, let's head to a Prague cafe and enjoy the breakfast. Now we are having breakfast at Cafe 22. You can see the price of the breakfast. For English breakfast, it starts from 350 Czech coronas. And you can get a coffee here for 110 coronas, Czech coronas. So right now we are standing at ticket station for tram number 22, which will take us to Prague Castle. This is the queue for the ticket. Yeah, and it will be our first time in Prague tram, so I will show you how it is. This is the journey of the tram. Not very comfortable. It's very but now we have reached Prague Castle and we will be walking inside. We haven't bought the tickets yet, so we will also buy the tickets with you guys. So without wasting any time, let's explore Prague Castle. And as you can see on the trees, there is snow. It's still very cold here, although it's very sunny and nice today, which is good. Welcome to Prague Castle, one of the largest and most iconic castles in the world. Spanning over 70,000 square meters, this UNESCO World Heritage Site isn't just a castle, it's an entire complex steeped in over 1,000 years of history. So without wasting any time, let's go in. This is Prague Castle Guard, you just saw, giving us the feels of ancient times.
Buckingham Palace.
Yeah, giving the feels of Buckingham Palace, that's right. And now we enter the premises of Great Prague Castle. Ta-da!
It's free as of now.
Yeah, as of now, this much is free to access. It's huge, it's vast. And best part is it's nice and sunny today, which is adding to its charm. I am going to show you something spectacular. This is St. Vitus Cathedral, which started in 1344, like the construction began in 1344 and took 600 years to complete. And it is literally just not a castle, but the spiritual heart of Prague. Behind me you can see Prague Castle's cathedral. It is a magnificent, large, huge building and I can't keep my eyes off this cathedral. It looks amazing, but at the same time it's very crowded on a Sunday morning. It's very hard to get in the queue and get inside the castle at this time, and there is one part of the castle which is free without the tickets, and I think most of the people want to get inside that part of the castle, hence the crowd. Today we choose not to go inside the palace because it's very crowded and long queues. But if you decide to go inside Prague Castle, the pricing is 450 Czech coronas for one adult.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, go. You can climb these walls if you're shorter like me, and then you can see the spectacular city views. Everything including Charles Bridge and the entire Prague city view. For Prague Castle, as you can see, super crowded. on this lane. But this area you can get amazing views of Prague city. Where is Pigeon?
Come, let's walk this way.
Now we have finished the castle, and just next to the castle there is a park. We are walking downstairs in that park, and Ashton is enjoying the pigeons here. Time is 1:30 p.m. and you can see how crowded Charles Bridge has become now. So I highly recommend you to come early in the morning to avoid all these crowds and enjoy the amazing Charles Bridge. You can also do this river cruise here in Prague. We are not doing this time, but it is also something through which you can see the entire city of Prague. We are here for medieval dinner here in Prague. It is one of the famous activities not to be skipped, they say, and today we will find out if it's worth it. So let's go in. As soon as you enter, you are guided towards the seat. Seats are allocated by them well in advance. There's a comfortable seating, and the staff is very kind and helping. So excited for this dinner. Aisha, are you excited? And the price for this excursion is around £56 per person during the Christmas time. It may vary according to season. And it includes a full dinner, starters, main course, sweet dish, and unlimited drinks with exclusive performances, which you are seeing right now in the vlog. This is definitely one of the highlights of my Prague trip, and I will highly recommend doing this if you can and if you have time.
Say hi. Touch it. Love it.
Are you scared?
Say high five.
Yeah. Woo!
Oh, great thing. Great stuff.
I was also getting the feels of Game of Thrones, like I'm literally sitting on the set of Game of Thrones. Definitely a fun experience, you guys. And that's it for today's vlog. I hope it helps you plan your itinerary here in Prague, and you can also check my day one vlog in Prague. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and let me know your favorite part of Prague vlog in the comments. I'm waiting. Thank you so much. Bye for now.